Guys, today I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your market screens app. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this photo here, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on settings. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on push notifications. So then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, so you keep going down. So then you come here to important updates. Just clicking this sign or this color, like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here important updates disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you like it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.